Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On the eve of 33rd Raising Day of Minhaj Women League, I, as Vice President Minhajul Quran International and Group Head of the Forum, take this opportunity to express my views about the important Forum of Minhajul Quran, that is Minhaj Women League. Traditionally, women folk has been taken to be weak and fragile. Though it is a large segment of society, yet they are consigned to a second place dominated by the male. Thus, a cliche that this is a male-dominated society takes root, and women are thus left to tend to certain things which are considered to be the domain of males. Similarly, based on this myth, many jokes and humorous anecdotes are woven around this myth, which are mostly quoted to define the weaker part of the female population. In reality, she undeniably is indispensable part of human resource. She has an equal, if not larger, role to play in the society. She has various forms. She is a mother, she is a wife, she is a co-worker, she is a sister, and so on. Without her indulgence and participation in different facets of life, the humanity would have stagnated and remained primitive. The life in nutshell would have been incomplete without her participation. Denying her a proper place and participation in the scheme of things is depriving ourselves of a potential force that occupies larger percentage of our population. To involve and engage this force, we need to be cognizant of her sensitivities, her physiological and psychological requirements. Thus, the role that she can play in the society can be correctly defined. To this end, we have to evolve a system, procedures and facilities that promote her grooming and understanding. To effectively partake of the opportunities that are presented to her for benefit and betterment of life. Taking a look into the working of various organizations which are committed to social uplift, charity, religious education, and some forms of business and commercial activity, we find a veritable neglect of female population and gender in the scheme of things. Towards this, Sheikhul Islam, Dr. Muhammad Tahir Qadri, realized the malaise of this inequality and neglect these women which were facing. To accord proper place and participation to them, he sagaciously instituted the Minhaj Women League Forum 33 years ago. The forum was accorded extra attention, and under Dr. Qadri's personal watch, the systems, procedures, and working methodology was evolved, defining the selection procedures, education, training, motivation, job assignments, field visits, performance monitoring, and reporting. An elaborate organizational structure was instituted and is working down to the ward level throughout the country. And even it is there globally in different countries of the world. As a result of this astute guidance, planning, and execution of Sheikhul Islam, Women League has morphed into a remarkable force of Minhajul Quran International, delivering the results of Qaid's vision at par with male segment. Through incessant hard work, the forum has brought a large number of female population into the fold of Minhajul Quran International activities, grooming and training them to play their parts as an equal and important stakeholder in the society. On this auspicious occasion of Minhaj Women League's 33rd Raising Day, I express my heartiest felicitations and pray for their ever success in their mission and undertakings. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be with them in the discharge of their responsibilities. Thank you very much.